Hello, viewers. How are you all today? Do you have a layover in Doha Qatar International Airport or Hamad International Airport recently? Then I think I can give you some ideas how to wait for your flight in a garden. Is it sounding pretty weird? No, my viewers. This is the reality for Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar. Recently, I got the opportunity to explore the orchard at Hamad International Airport, Doha, Qatar, while I was traveling from India to Southern African country. The orchard is stunning and simple. It is at the very end of the terminal. The garden has a carved glass roof with a ton of greenery and some walking paths and sitting areas where you can sit and wait for your next flight. It's not a typical terminal waiting experience you are gonna experience. This orchard is a focal point for all travelers at Hamad International Airport. But the only thing that confused me is that when the orchard was announced, I never ever noticed during my earlier trips and layovers. This orchard is providing all travelers peace and relax after their stressful long flights and long layovers. The greeneries and the peaceful water feature combine to create a relaxing atmosphere that is not very common to any airport you always visit. Orchard's 575 square meter water feature is one of its most remarkable spaces. So, whenever you are arriving at Doha, you have long layovers, or leaving Doha, you do not forget to explore this orchard, and this orchard is really a place to admire. So, viewers, next time during your long layovers and long stressful flight, you can connect with nature at Hamad International Airport. Thank you so much. I'm Choitra signing off now.